together, ready to go out. So I don't even know if it's worth me doing like outfit of the days moving forward, because I'm just going to be wearing different colors and patterns of these balloon pants from ASOS because they're my new uniform. I heart them, I love them. But this sweater is from Target, so that's something different, you know. My jewelry, these rings are from H&M. These are the ones that I got in Mexico. This bracelet is, I can't remember. I've had it for like over a year. I have no idea where I got this from. Sorry. But these are the new shoes that I purchased from Primark yesterday in the men's section. I am loving them, like so much so I'm really seriously considering going back and getting another pair because I feel like these aren't going to last as long with how much I plan on wearing them. So might as well get like that backup pair. Like, why not? For my earrings, I got these at the H&M in Mexico as well. And this is the OOTD. I will be going to the Museum of Brands today, which is a museum that shows different type of packaging throughout the years. So really interested in that. I'm excited about seeing all that. But first I'm going to go and get some breakfast at this place called Mike's Cafe. On Yelp, it had great reviews and they serve breakfast all day. So I'm going to have breakfast here at least once, you know, because I haven't been leaving that early. Yesterday I did leave early, but I didn't get any breakfast. So that's that. Let me show you the coat that I've been rocking this trip. So this coat is from River Island. I heart it a lot. Let's go and explore London. Started my trek to the breakfast spot and I just wanted y'all to see, like, this is why I enjoy walking around as opposed to taking public transportation all the time. And we all know I'm not spending that money to get in no Uber. So you get to see all this beautiful architecture. Just listen to the birds chirping as you're walking around. If you can't hear them in the background, there are birds chirping. It's just so nice to get to explore a place by walking around, especially when the weather is nice. I mean, you have zero excuses, except especially if you're able-bodied. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't want to walk around. My bra is all the way out. Yeah, so apparently I like to flash people while I'm walking around too. So yeah, just wanted to share this beautiful view that I have on the way to breakfast. That there is a shopping mall right behind her hotel. Leona did. That's who found out. And Leona's going in there right now to check out, you know, a London shopping mall. You never know, it could be different from stuff in the States. I will say this mall is freaking huge. It is really big. So you can cause a lot of damage up in here. A lot. I came back. And that's it. I'm not shopping at Primark anymore because This has officially gotten out of hand. It's only the 4th day of me being here, and I still have 5 more days here. I can't be going to Primark every day. That's it. So let me show you what I got from both yesterday and today, because I realized I didn't show you what I got yesterday. I got these 3 shirts, and I also got this mesh sweater that I can't wait to rock with like some camisoles underneath. I think it's going to look really cute with my high-waisted balloon pants that I have many pairs of. I also went a little crazy on sunglasses. Now, one of them is for my sister, but the prices, I just couldn't not get all of these here. This I'm most excited about because I've never really had a colorful pair of sunglasses before, and I think it's going to look great with whatever outfit I pair with it. I stocked up on some press-on nails because they're my new favorite thing. I've been rocking them a lot lately. I picked up a few pair of earrings. I'm usually a gold hoop girl, but I'm trying to branch out, be a little different. So I got these pair. Didn't stray completely away from gold hoops. I got this, but it's a little different with a black line down the center, so it's a little bit different. I got this scarf because the pattern looks really nice and the colors are very neutral, so it will go with absolutely, like, not everything, but a lot of things. Yeah, and I just plan on wearing it as a headscarf because this ain't warming up nobody's neck. I got these 2 pairs of Ked-like or Converse-like shoes. You saw the other pair of shoes that I purchased because I wore it today, so you saw that earlier. And I got a white tank. That's it, people. No more. I'm not buying anything else for this trip. Mark my words. Nothing else. It's been a few hours and I am heading out to get something to eat. I'm going to go to I'm going to Mercado Metropolitano. It's a food court that I went to in my last visit. I really wanted to get that hot dog that I got last time. And I switched my shirt to one of the new tops that I got from Primark today. I'm hearting it. I'm loving it. Now, I did mention earlier that I was not going to be wearing this shirt with just a bra. Like, I was just going to be doing a camisole under it. But I actually did try it on, you know, just to see how it would look with just my bra that's in the same color of the top. And it's actually, I guess in this lighting, not as noticeable that I'm just wearing a bra. And it goes. So I'm reneging on what I said, and I'm going outside with just a bra and this top. I think it looks cute. Let's get something to eat. Hey people, day 5, and I'm running a tad bit of a smidgen late. I'm supposed to be heading to I'm going to be heading to a Harry Potter walking tour that's being given by Free Tours by Foot, and I just came in to show you my OOTD before I leave. So you saw these pink balloon pants in my shopping haul video that I posted. And this is the white top that I recently got from Primark. Yeah, I'll see you out on the tour. I'm already running late, gotta go. Okay, I'm here at the meetup spot for the Harry Potter walking tour. For a minute there, I thought that I was being stood up by the guide. I thought nobody else was attending. I thought I was the only dweeb that signed up for this tour. But I'm not the only dweeb. There are others. And we are here at Westminster, meeting by the Winston Churchill statue. I am excited.
If you look, you've got one here and it's the same background. You can look now if you want. You keep the way around, so taking this corner in a Nocturne Alley. I know you've been in the studios, so it looks like the studios, doesn't it? So let me show you how it looks in the studios.
Just finished the Harry Potter tour, and now I'm on my way to the Rupert Street Market to get some cachapas. I really hope they haven't run out. The market closes in 2 hours, and I'm so mad that that tour went over a half an hour because it has affected my ability
Customer safety
to get some cachapas.
When moving through Waterloo Station, please take care using the stairs and escalators.
I made it. They still got it. And I ordered 2. Because I'm not playing games out here. I am not playing games.